What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT. Also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT as well, so you can always stay connected with me. So today, Alex, I'm gonna put his Instagram up right here. It's 6.2 Alex. Make sure you go follow him. So he gave me an idea that we should take his Hellcat to Carmax to get an appraisal for it. In case a lot of you don't know, a Hellcat, if you go buy it brand new, costs you about $70,000 to start with. Depends all the options you got. He does have the red seats. He has a few options, the Harman Kardons and all that. So it's right around 70, 72, right? We want to know how much the car has depreciated in value. It's a 2018 Hellcat. We want to see if it's still worth anywhere around maybe 50, 45. I mean, if it's worth about, if they say 40,000, we'll be really disappointed. But the whole point of this is to see if the Hellcat's depreciate in value that much. So we're gonna go now and check it out and see what they'll say. So we're about to hop in his Hellcat. We're about to first turn it on. It's pretty loud, and then we're gonna go to Carmax and see. I've never been there. This is my first time ever going there, and we're gonna take his Hellcat there. So hope you guys are in for an awesome video. Let's get it. Here we got the Hellcat. Octane red with the 5-spoke. All right, let's turn it on. Wow, it's so loud. It is super loud, but we're about to hop in and get going. The red interior I told you guys about. Ready to go now. Let me just show you guys how loud his exhaust is. Listen to this exhaust. Oh my God. This thing is super loud. Make it pop one more time for us. Oh man, it's gonna pop right now. Once you get to like first gear.
Yeah. Well, no, it pops more when the exhaust isn't warmed up.
Oh man, it sounds crazy. Look at the gas prices though. Look at the gas prices though. $5 for 91. Oh my God. So we are pulling up to Carmax right there. So okay. So we just parked the Hellcat. We're about to go in there. Let's see what they're gonna say. In the comments below, tell me your guesses on how much a 2018 Challenger Hellcat cost right now. And the way it is with red seats, Harman Kardons, pretty much loaded out. It does not have a sunroof, and it also has 18,000 miles. So comment down below how much you guys think that's worth. You go first. I got a ZL1 here, pretty nice. I don't know. 61. Talk about a ripoff. How many miles? Where's the mile? Still too much. Still too much. This is nice. Wow. Look at the interior. How much? That's not bad. I mean, this, dude. Oh, this is just the S550. I thought it was the S63. Never mind. Not bad. They got a M2 actually for 44,000. Yeah, this is a nice blue. What is it called? 19. Ooh, has the ugly interior. The regular seats, not even sports seats. The interior here, can you open these? Oh, shoot. Dude, look at the interior here. It's sick. Look at the lighting. Ambient lighting. Wow. The interior here is sick. Oh, it comes with a water bottle. That makes it worth it. Look, it has the panoramic roof. Dude, the seating here. Wow. Look at this. I like this. Look at the window hug.
Look at the color.
Yeah, look at that, Pirellis. I still much rather take that ZL1 though. We just came out here getting ready for the appraisal, and when we told him we want to be out here during the appraisal, we kind of want to see what he got to say. He got a little bit mad for a second. In fact, he got really rude. I'm like, you know, I was like, what do you mean? Like, we want to be here when he appraises the car. I mean, it's only right. It's his car. So he got a little bit rude, but hey, I don't know. He maybe thought like we're just one of those other YouTubers just coming for the appraisal. But you know, Alex really is thinking about getting another car, so he kind of wants to know how much this car is worth. So of course, selling it to a dealer is not going to be like a private seller. They're going to rip you off because they're trying to make money off of you. A private seller might pay a little more. But I'm kind of curious on what they think this car is worth. We'll buy your car even if you don't buy ours. Okay. Look at that. Looks like a little cone. So it's getting appraised right now. He's probably saying this boat is not worth anything. He's like, whoa, this is louder than any regular Challenger I've ever been in. What is going on? Alright, deduct $2,000. It doesn't have any cats, no resonators. What if he just revs it? What if he puts it in drive? What if he puts it in drive by accident? It drives right into the wall, and guess what we're getting? A demon.
Some nice idle.
So he's still sitting in there right now.
Wasting my gas.
Wasting his 91 gas that is almost $5 a gallon. Oh, he popped the hood. He's gonna know it's not stock anymore. Oh my god. He's gonna know you have all those pulleys. Oh, we can't say that. We can't say the appraisal. And we're stepping out. So we just got back from Carmax, and they basically did the inspection and all that. And I got the paper right here that says how much this Hellcat is worth. So, front seats, good condition. Carpet, good condition. Engine, good condition. Rear tires, surprisingly, good condition. Rear seats, good condition. Transmission, good condition. Front tires and wheels, good condition. Everything else checks out. 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat with 18,854 miles. And red interior, octane red color, and everything is fine, honestly. And before I tell you guys the price, what he kind of was saying, he's like, getting rid of this car is like getting rid of an exotic. Now, I don't know if I can completely agree with him saying it's like an exotic, but what he means by that is like, not just your regular person is looking for a Hellcat, for a 700 horsepower car. It's just, number one, to maintain it, you got to put expensive gas in here. Your oil change is going to be pretty expensive. If you drive it like the way he drives it, and insurance also, tires. So I'm not saying it's crazy expensive to maintain it, but your average person doesn't just go and buy a 700 horsepower car. You got to kind of be looking for it. You kind of have to be in the market to buy it. So there isn't that many people that are really looking for it. You know what I'm saying? The people who really want it already have it. So trying to sell this car is pretty expensive, and that's kind of the way they come up with the pricing. And also, this car kind of has a bit of high miles for being 2018, so that had to go into the pricing as well. And but besides that, a perfect color combo. What I projected the car to be worth was anywhere from 45 to 50,000, anywhere in between that. And that's kind of putting in that the dealer has to make money on it. So this doesn't mean that this is how much the car is worth. This just means how much the car is worth to them and how much they're gonna buy it for, so they can make money. Of course, they're gonna make it easy, 10,000, 7,000, at least $5,000 to cover their costs. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna try to upsell it for 10 grand from the price they gave out over here. So it's time now to tell you guys how much it's appraised at, and let me know if you guys were right or wrong. They appraised it for, drum roll, $46,000. Woo! Woo! No, it's pretty low, but But I'm not surprised, you know what I'm saying? It's an American car. It's gonna depreciate in value. This car brand new was $70,000, so it lost about $24,000. But the car also has 18,000 miles, so you gotta kind of put that into consideration. Also, it's a car that not everybody wants to just go buy. So this was the price that they're okay and comfortable buying it for. Also, this car isn't gonna sit on the lot. What he said is it's pretty much gonna get sent to auction, and they pray and hope it'll sell for $50,000. That's the only way for them to cut down on their losses or somewhat make some profit, because if it sits, it's gonna cost them more money to maintain while it's sitting. But if they just buy it, send it off to auction, they pay the auction fee, whatever, they maybe make $5,000, $7,000, and that'll be a good payday for them. If Alex was to go out and sell this to a private seller, he could easily sell for $50,000, $52,000, $53,000, and that's pretty much it, because that's how much somebody's gonna buy it from them for. So you gotta kind of put all that together to figure out how much it'll cost, and I think the price wasn't too low considering they have to make money. So I hope you guys were spot on with what the price was, and you guys weren't too far off. I know some people probably like 30,000, 32,000. So this was an experience for me. I've never been to Carmax, never took a car there, and I decided to do that for a video, and it was pretty interesting, and it was a cool experience to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. But alright guys, that is today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. Also make sure you're following me on Instagram at ToxicSRT. Also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT as well. We got a few nice collabs coming up on the channel. Also track days coming up, so you guys are gonna see some videos from the track. And on top of that, there's gonna be a race with my Hellcat, so stay tuned for that as well. Also, we're gonna try to take a Dodge Demon to Carmax and see what they're gonna appraise it for, because I have really high hopes for it. I think they're gonna give it a good price because there's only 3,000 made of them, and you don't find them for sale anywhere. So we'll see. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea to take a Dodge Demon to Carmax. So comment down below if you guys think that's a good idea. But with that being said, I will see you guys next upload. Have an awesome day, and make sure you guys stay positive. Peace out.